Are you looking for a new solar camera? Because if you are, this may just be the best one out there. So I'm gonna give it a try today, see how it works. This has Super HD, it is completely wireless. It also works with the sun, which I love. You can have this solar powered camera for 365 days straight. Never need to charge it, nothing. All you have to do is use that solar panel. So let's take a look. First, here is some mounting hardware. You can use this as a guide for if you're gonna mount it. It comes with just a simple instruction manual right here. Has those QR codes for downloading the app. This does work with an app. So you can use this live view on the app on your phone. Also, it works with Google Home. It works with Alexa. Works with so many different devices, so you can really connect everything in your house. So the first thing that is inside here is the solar panel. So all these little squares are going to be collecting power, and all you have to do is just plug it into your camera and it's ready to go, just like that. So easy. That is my favorite. I love solar, love those cameras that you don't have to worry about charging, that will just continuously record. So this camera does have a 360-degree view. It is a 2K solar camera, and I do want to point out that this does work with 2.4G, so it's not going to work with 5G wireless. You do need that 2.4. So here is, it does have a charger cord. If you didn't want to use the solar panel, you can use just a regular USB and power it that way. Here's the mounting hardware that it comes with. Comes with also this mounting bracket as well, so you can put it on, adjust the camera however you'd like. That is what this little card is for, to line up where the screw holes are so you don't have to screw twice. There's some mounting screws inside there. Now let's look at the camera itself. So this camera is pretty small as far as cameras go. It's nice and sleek. It does have this complete rotation. You can see it goes all the way around and it goes up and down. And you can control all of this through the app, so you don't have to worry about setting it exactly the right position, because you can adjust everything through the app. You can also have multiple users on the app as well. So if you wanted to set this up as a family camera, everybody can see everything at once. It does have cloud storage, and it also has a slot for an SD card. So let me see if I can find that little slot. Let's see what's in here. At the bottom here, that is just where that plug is gonna go, or the solar camera, that's where that is gonna plug in. And here is where the SD card is, and also that has the on button and the reset button. So if you wanted to use an SD, you can use it right there, or you can use the cloud storage from the phone. So whichever works for you is great. It does have a flashlight alarm, it does have night vision, it has motion alert, everything you are looking for in a camera. So let's go ahead, download the app and get started. So once you have the app downloaded, you are going to select to add a new camera. So this is a battery camera. You do want to add the battery camera, select that, and then you're going to turn your device on. And once you have it on, you do want to just reset it. You can just hold the reset button. You don't need a pin for this specific camera. You can press the reset button just to get it started, and then the light is going to be blinking. So all of this was super easy. Make sure you do that 2.4 Wi-Fi. It's not going to connect to a 5G, so you want to make sure you have it set to the 2.4, enter your password, and then it connects. So then you are going to use your camera, the camera, to scan your phone. So you scan that QR code on your phone using the camera. So you point the camera at your phone. Then it's going to connect. You'll hear it beep. The camera will beep, and that means it's connected, and then it's going to go ahead and connect to the network. So that can take a few seconds, but it didn't take long to set up. Though if you want to go near your wireless box, you can, just to have a really, really strong signal. Then look at that. Right there, it's connected. So you can name your camera whatever you want after that. The ad was successful. It's ready to go. Then you want to bring the camera to where you're going to install it, just to make sure that the Wi-Fi signal is good there. Bring your phone, the app, and the camera, bring it to where you're going to set it up, and you're ready to go. So you select what you want to name it. You're going to plug it into that solar. You can plug it into an outlet to charge the first time before you connect to that solar panel. And then once you have it where you're going to go, it's going to tell you how the signal is. You can see my signal is strong, so this is a good place to put my camera. So it even tells you if you're in a good spot. So you can adjust it just to kind of set it up and make sure it's getting the right view that you'd like. And then your camera is pretty much done. So you can start using the app. So let me show you a little bit about the app. So here is the app. It actually gives you a little tutorial here. It tells you how to set it. It tells you how to connect certain things. You can use that guide. You can also use the owner manual, but it is pretty self-explanatory. So you can see right away, it's going to connect to the live. You can see that live button. You can see the histories just of events that happened throughout the day, any motion detection that the camera picked up. You can also click right onto the cloud to see any recorded videos that might have been taken. So Here is the live view. You can see it's pretty nice and clear. It does have that nice wide angle. And you can see it has the intercom button. It has the motion detection. You can put on a light if you wanted to use a floodlight. It does have audio. You can switch to color mode. I switched it from to HD mode. I do want the HD, not the SD, because you want to have that really clear picture. So that is a part of this camera. You want to get that clear picture. You can put it in full screen mode. It does flip over, so it just looks kind of sideways right now. But you can just turn your phone if you wanted to see a bigger picture while you're using the app. You can see it does have the time and date on the top corner, which is really nice. That will record also. So if you do a recording or it does save a video, it's going to have that timestamp. You can also move the camera around from your phone. So all I'm doing is hitting those buttons on the side, up and down, just again, 360-degree view here. So you are going to be able to see everything. Nothing is going to be out of your view. So I just wanted to show you also when it flipped back here, you don't have to be in full screen mode to adjust, to look all around. You can do it just through the regular mode as well, so you can have all those buttons right there. So simple to use. You can see this whole camera only took about 5 minutes to set up. So it is ready to go, ready to use, ready to start recording. You can just hit that record button. If you want to live record, it saves it right to your phone. If you do a live record, or you can save it to the cloud. You can see here, look, human detection. It has motion detection, and look at that clear picture. It is incredible. You can see a bird flying by. It's so clear. So definitely give this camera a try if you're looking for a great solar camera. I love that you never have to charge it. Once you have that solar panel set up, it's ready to go. I would put the solar panel, of course, in the sun where it's going to get a good amount of sun every day to keep your camera running, up and running. You don't want to put that solar panel in the shade. Again, 100% wire-free. 5 minutes to set up, works with cloud storage, SD card, works with Alexa, Google Home, absolutely everything. So give this camera a try. I think you're going to love it.